Question 2. The Celtic Trail is part of the UK's national cycle network, and you can see they've got a map with places in Wales on it and a route. It says Avon plans to cycle the tour of the Celtic Trail from Fishguard to Chepstow, so he's going to follow this road here. And the route has been split into stages, so you can see stage 1 goes from Fishguard to Broadhaven, 36 miles, etc. What is the total distance of Avon plans to cycle? Okay, so Avon is going to cycle each part. These are the distances between them, so all we've got to do is add them up. So you just get your calculator, or you could do it in your head, it's entirely up to you. So 36, add 46, add 32, add 29, add 40, add 44 equals 227 miles. Part 2. Avon plans to take 3 days for the cycle tour. He cannot cycle further than 85 miles in one day. He needs to complete the table. So you can see that he's going to start at Fishguard. So he's going to start at Fishguard. Fishguard to Broadhaven is 36 miles. Broadhaven to Larne is 46 miles. So adding those two together, you'd get 82 miles. So he can't go as far as Kidwelly because he would take him over the miles. So the first one is going to be Fishguard to Larne. And as we just said, that would be 82 miles. So obviously then he's going to start at Larne. So then looking at this, Larne to Kidwelly is 32. If he went from Kidwelly to Mumbles, it'd be 32 add 29, which is 61. But the 40 would take it to 101, so we can't go any further. So we can only go as far as the Mumbles on day 2. So we can only go as far as the Mumbles, and that would be 61 miles. And the last bit will be from Mumbles to Chepstow, which will be Mumbles to Pontypridd, which is 40 miles, Pontypridd to Chepstow, 44 miles. So in total 84 miles, which is under the 85. So it'll be 84 miles. And that bit will be completed. Part B. Bryn plans to cycle a total of 425 miles from Fishguard to London. He uses the plan from part 2 for the first 3 days of the cycle. And Bryn also cannot cycle more than 85 miles in one day. Explain why Bryn cannot complete his cycle ride from Fishguard to London in 5 days. So if we know that Fishguard to London is 425 miles. And in 3 days, Bryn will cycle these at the total of these up here. So he's going to cycle 82, add 61, add 84. So again, the 227, just checking we got the right answers up there. So he goes 227 miles in 3 days, which means he has left to travel 425 minus 227. 425 minus 227 equals 198 miles left to travel. Now he's only allowed to travel 85 miles per day. So if we work out how many days needed to finish, we do 198 divided by 85. 198 divided by 85. It comes out at 2.3 days. So that means that Max can't do it in 5 days. He would need day 6.